Hi guys, postman's bin, and I know what it is. Interesting packaging. Looks like a homemade box like the ones I make. Try not to cut me hands. Is that going to open that way? Yes, we're getting in that way. Can you guess what it is yet? Right, a box full of metal clockwork motors. I say metal, they've clearly got a plastic gear there. Should be. Yep, it's in there. The keys to go with them. So why on earth have I bought a bunch of wind-up gears or motors? Well, quite simply, somebody commented on one of my teardown videos where I took apart a little wind-up motor and asked where they could find them, where they could get hold of them. And the obvious answer to me was, I expect they're available on eBay. And then I thought, well, why don't I have a look? So that's what I did. I had a look on eBay. This seller was selling, is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 for, I can't remember, about £15 or something. Maybe a little bit more. They were about £1 each, £1.50 each, something like that. Yeah, it must have been about £15. And I just thought, yeah, I expect I could make something with one of them. 3D print something, of course. Little wind-up car, be something to start with. I also thought they might be handy as replacements, because sometimes I do pick up clockwork powered cars or toys in the charity shops. And if the gearbox is broken, that's it. So yeah, I think I will probably make, for a start, a clockwork powered car. That would be something fairly simple to do. Print a couple of wheels, basic chassis. A couple of wheels, 4 wheels would be handy, wouldn't it? 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So I think that'll be an upcoming project. Just a simple little 3D printed car with a wind-up clockwork motor. It's not going to go for hours. I mean, you can see how long it's lasting for. And it looks like they are all identical, doesn't it? Because I did wonder whether they were going to be ones you'd stripped out of old toys or something like that, but no, these are brand new, unused. That's brilliant. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.